Welcome to International Seminar and Call for Paper 2020 UTA 45 Jakarta. The COVID-19 pandemic currently experienced by the world has made all industry sectors suffer tremendous losses and enormous efforts. The first, human health is under threat. In the second, the economic is in decline. In the third, which make the legal and political situation uncertainty.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome to our first international conference and call for paper UTA 45 Jakarta 2020. My name is Nina Jusnita from Faculty of Pharmacy. As we know, COVID-19 pandemic currently occurring has made the pharmaceutical world face enormous challenges. However, these challenges are accompanied by great opportunities as well. UTA 45 Jakarta presents an international seminar and call for paper to discuss this in the first international conference and call for paper UTA 45 2020 with the sub-theme Herbal Medicine for COVID-19 and how to overcome with pandemic situation. For that, we call of you, lecturers, practitioners, researchers, and students to attend and contribute as participants or presenters in these events. So, let's join us.
The COVID-19 pandemic that occurred in 2020 caused aspects in the legal field to become weak against the policies implemented. So, UTA 45 Jakarta present an international seminar and call paper to discuss this. In the first international conference and call for paper UTA 45 Jakarta 2020 with the subtema Legal Aspect of New Normal After COVID-19. For that, we call you all to attend and contribute as participant or presenter in this activity. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome and join us in the ISFP event. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Samsul Ode. I'm lecturer from Faculty of Social and Political Science. For that, we call you all to attend and contribute as participant or presenter in this conference. Thank you.
The COVID-19 pandemic from a social, political, and journalistic perspective. The COVID-19 pandemic that occurred in 2020 left a lot of dynamic occurring in the social, political, and journalism realms.
UTA 45 Jakarta present an international seminar and call paper to discuss this in the first international conference and call for paper UTA 45 Jakarta 2020 with the sub-theme The COVID-19 pandemic from a social, political, and journalism perspective.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you all for accepting our invitation and joining us for this event. As we know, the spread of the COVID-19 disease has been a global pandemic since, and it has prompted many countries to implement social restriction policy. Indonesia is one of the countries that has implemented a large-scale social restriction policy, or Pembatasan Sosial Berskala Besar, or PSBB. This policy stunts the global and national economic growth. A very significant impact occurred in various industrial or business sectors in Indonesia, from manufacturing to finance. According to Moody's research, the most affected industries are textile.
The current ongoing pandemic is altering every phase of business and society. And more than ever, there is an urgency for enterprises, big or small enterprise, industry, policymakers, and civil society organizations to collaborate on practical solutions by transforming the business into a big action under the umbrella of its sustainable development goals, from immediate relief efforts to long-term recovery strategies. Sustainable economics is a key part of the solution. This condition certainly has a negative impact on the money circulation. For this reason, the government and industry actors have been applied a number of strategies related to change in public policy, program innovations, and technology transfer to revive economic growth in the midst of a crisis situation due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
When I think about this urgency, three questions keep bugging me. The first one is, does it matter for economic growth and welfare? Can it help explain the Great Recession and predict what we are heading now? This situation encourages us to facilitate a variety of ideas, concepts, theories, and knowledge from academics and practitioners that can be part of the solution to the crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic.
Therefore, we organized the first international seminar and call for paper or ICP at Universitas 17 Agustus 1945 or UTAM 45 Jakarta 2020 on the theme of economic science, empowering entrepreneurs, digitalization, sustainable business, and management for national economic enhancement.
The COVID-19 pandemic that occurred in 2020 resulted in lots of environment and innovation in the engineering and computer science area. UTA 45 Jakarta presents an international seminar and call for paper to discuss this in the first international conference and call for paper UTA 45 Jakarta 2020 with the sub-theme Frugal Innovation during COVID-19 pandemic. For that, we call you all to attend and contribute as participants or presenters in this conference.